Hi everyone, I'm Monisha. I'm from Vellore and I did my degree in VIT Vellore, and I'm very glad that I have joined the Qspiders. One of my friend recommended this institute, and before joining this Qspider, I haven't got placed. I have attended a lot of interviews, but I haven't got placed in any companies, and I would like to thank the all the Qspider team, and they were very friendly. Each and everyone were very friendly and supportive, and a special thanks for the teachers and HR team. I would like to thank Anto sir, Moin sir, Harsh sir and Arvind sir for molding me and being very supportive, and a very special thanks to the HR team for being very patient towards the students and allowing me to attend n number of companies till I get placed, and finally I got placed in a reputed company. I'm very happy.